Peekaboo.
Wow!
How do I look?
Wow!
You look like a rabbit.
Over to Stycie and Seth.
Okay guys, so me and Stycie are about to make the Easter bunny craft, but she doesn't know that I'm gonna scare her before we make it together.
Seth. Seth.
Don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to make one so you can scare other people too. For this activity, we'll need 2 paper plates,
Paint,
paintbrush,
scissors,
stapler.
and pencils. Let's get started.
So the first thing we're gonna do is take our paint. You can do that.
And put it on our paper plate.
And squeeze just a bit. We don't need that much.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the paint.
Oh wait, we need to draw the eyes first.
Oh, okay. Let me do that. And I'll just draw 1 big eye and 2 big eyes. And let's give them and like that.
Yeah. Then now we're going to put the paint on the paintbrush.
And paint the plate.
Yeah. So we're going to let it dry and come back after it's dried.
So we waited a few minutes for the paint to fully dry and it looks really nice.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're gonna make the bunny ears. So we're gonna take a paper plate, the other paper plate. We're going to cut the plate in half.
So that the ears can be really big.
Really big, yeah. Okay, so now we're done with the ears and Stycie's gonna staple on the ears to the mask.
Like this?
Yeah. No, wrong way.
This side?
No. you
How?
have the
This
wrong-
side?
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
Like, yeah, like that.
Okay.
So I'll hold it and then
Yeah.
you can staple it. Now that we've stapled the ears on, it's time to add the mouth and we might need glue for this.
Yeah.
And now I'm going to,
It's starting to look like a bunny.
yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like it's frowning. So
Cut it
now
a little bit.
I'm gonna cut it into like a more realistic mouth.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, that's fine. Is it? No, the other way. Like that.
Okay. Then we're gonna add the glue.
Yeah. Now we're gonna leave it out to dry for about a minute and then we're gonna come back.
So we waited for it to dry and it kind of looks like a bunny, but we're not yet done.
Yeah, we need to color in the ears and the mouth and the eyes. So let's start. I'm gonna pick pink. How about you choose a color and then do the other ear?
Okay, different colors.
Yeah.
So we're going to color the eyes, maybe black.
Or maybe we should use googly eyes.
Oh, yes.
Get some. And let's use the glue to stick them onto the eyes. So now that we stuck in the eyes, maybe we can put black on the teeth, black on the mouth to make it look like teeth.
Yeah.
Or we can use these to make it look like actual teeth. Wait a minute. We forgot a nose.
Oh, right. Shouldn't you glue it?
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm gonna cut it first. So like, yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Okay.
There. Now let's stick the nose on. And now we wait for everything to dry and we'll come back when it has done that.
So now it's dried and it's looking really cute.
Yeah. Whoa.
Peekaboo. How do I look?
You look like a rabbit.
Oh, let me see. Oh. Okay. So Mr. Bunny is all done and it was fun creating him.
Yeah, and we really hope you try this at home and tag us at #SemasLab.
This is Seth.
And this is Stycie.
And this is Sema's Lab. Bye.
Stay connected with me on the Super Sema YouTube channel.